Bonjour! It's raining, it's the beginning of the rain, and I said, wow, what an interesting moment! What an interesting, what if we could do a little short video just for fun under the rain? Yeah. Under my cinnamon tree, yes, and it is happy today. This is a happy cinnamon tree singing. Intensity of the day. Yeah. What funny. What other funny things we can do and create today. Yeah. With our bodies, with our spaces around, with our with the rain. Yeah. With the wind. Yes, with the wind. Yes, we can be under, yes, with a tree, and we share together what is it, the magic to be with him, and say, yeah, I recognize you. Yes, today it's recognize you. Yeah, I like it. I like this moment. Intensity and joy. Bye.